Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Lexica Art, Lexica AI Prompt Best Results, Lexica Tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be demonstrating and showing you small prompts that you could add to your original prompts that could make huge improvements and generate a best result. Now, these prompts that I will be suggesting aren't long prompts, but just one-word prompts that has the potential to improve your output much better. Now, let's go over here on the generate section of Lexica. Now, keep in mind also, I would like you to know that I am using the free version of Lexica, so I will be limited to demonstrating 7 or 8 photos, but for this tutorial, I will show you as much as I can on the difference between these different prompts. Now, I already generated something over here. Now, this will be our starting photo. Now, the list or the following are the different small prompts that you could add to your original prompt that would improve them. They are bioluminescence, cinematic, hyper detailed, or adding a texture, whether it's rough, smooth, or whatever texture that you want. Those are the 4 prompts or additional prompts that could greatly increase a generation. Now, I demonstrated bioluminescence over here already. I have generated it. I asked Lexica to generate me a floating jellyfish, and this is the output that it has provided to me. Now, I then asked it to produce me one or the same prompt, but this time with bioluminescence on the prompt, and as you can see, the output has increased significantly better. Now for this one, I think this is the one that is the best out of this 4. As you can see, you'll be able to see a lot of details and it looks great in general. But when we went over here, after I inputted the bioluminescence, almost every output over here looks amazing. Especially this one, as you can see, it has amazing effects on its different parts of the body, as you can see here, like the head and then the tail, and it's even floating outside the water with a reflection over here at the bottom. You are able to see the bioluminescence very much, and it improved the output so much. As you can see, there's the glow of the bioluminescence, and the uniqueness even improved. So it is able to produce an amazing output through this specific prompt that we have added, which is the bioluminescence. Now you can try this on other things, so let's try it out. So let's say I would like to have a fluffy cat, but this time let's go with biolu. Let's copy this so that we won't have a mistake. There we go, and paste it over here, and simply click on generate, and let's see the output that it will be able to produce. Now we all know what cats look like, what a fluffy cats look like. One or two of you watching right now might have already asked Lexica to generate a fluffy cat for you, but right now, as you can see, they're experiencing some issues. So let's generate it again, and let's see if we will be able to produce or successfully produce our image over here. So let's give it some time. But like I was saying, I know some of you guys have already asked Lexica or other AI out there to produce you a cat, and you know what, the output of cat that we will be able to produce, and this is the one with the bioluminescence. As you can see, there is a lot of uniqueness on the cats that are generated here, and it is absolutely amazing on the output that was produced by Lexica. Now let's proceed to the second one, which is the cinematic over here. Now let's simply copy this and simply take off a topic over here. So let's say old 90s plane flying with cinematic as an additional prompt to the specific original prompt. Now let's ask it to generate, and let's see the difference that will be added to this cinematic over here. Now, as much as I want to generate the one without the plane, now as much as I want to generate it alone without the cinematic, we are limited to our generations. As you can see, it is already done. Our free trial has come to an end, so we won't be able to show you anymore of our generations, but we were able to produce this one, and as you can see, the cinematic effect was applied to it, and it looks amazing as you can see here. Now, if we generated this alone without the cinematic, the lighting wouldn't be there, the angles, it will be just a plain plane that is on either the sky or just parked on the airport. But as you can see, we were able to improve and created an amazing output over here by just adding this word cinematic over here. Now, unfortunately, we won't be able to generate any more of our outputs because our free trial has come to an end, but you could use the other two additional prompt for yourself that you could add to your output to improve the results or the generations of your Lexica art. You could use the hyper detail, which like it says, it will create a hyper detail of the output or the photo that you're trying to generate. For example, if you used it on our cat over here, it will generate a hyper detail of its fur, its eyes, its nose. Every part of the cat will be in hyper detail. Similarly with our jellyfish over here, it will have an amazing additional effects. You could also put them all together if you want. You could include the bioluminescence and then put the cinematic on it, then the hyper detail. You could put all of this prompt together in one as well, and then you will be able to create one amazing photo that has all of this feature that we have just talked about in its feature. And it is amazing on the capabilities of Lexica to be able to produce amazing art, especially when you add special prompts just like that. Now, as you can see on the homepage, if you would like to produce amazing results like this, as you can see, what you're going to do to be able to produce similar outputs is you're simply going to open them and examine their prompt over here. Look for whatever is the keyword or the key part of the prompt, and then you could possibly add that to your prompts as well. Like for us, these are the key prompts that would increase the details of our output. But for here, the key parts are this first part over here, abstract non-human art horror creatures. Those are key parts of their prompt that makes their outputs very unique. And then you can simply look for other outputs as well and look for the keyword to be able to produce amazing outputs just like what we are seeing right now. And so that's basically it. That is how you will be able to produce amazing results and amazing effects for your Lexica art. Now let's go check again the outputs that we were able to generate. And to give you an overview, this one was the bioluminescence. You will able to see the difference already, the improvement on the output. As you can see, there's a lot of details. The luminescence is very present on the photo. It is also present on this cat that we have, the bioluminescence. You are able to see the glow, the blue glow, the purple glow. Any type of glow is some sort of bioluminescence. And you have your cinematic over here for a 90s play, as you can see here. And I would like you to try them out on your own. Hopefully you will be able to use all of them for your Lexica art. And please comment down below on how well your outputs or how well your images are generated. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.